Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Abomination. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Abomination, we're going to begin with his face. So let's start with the eyes. We're going to begin up here. We just want to draw a little line that's just going to come down and then up like a check mark. And we'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to go down and then up with a check mark shape. In here, just make a line that goes over and up, and another one here, over and then up. We want to draw a couple little lines underneath it. We want to make two little lines that come down for his nose. And we're going to make two little lines that curve out to the side. Next, we'll make a line that goes down and then up with like a V shape for his nose. Starting here, let's draw a line that goes up and down with another one over here for his eyebrows. Starting here, let's make a line that goes out and then in. We'll do the same thing here, out and in. Then we're going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to curve around and then up. We're going to add some kind of sharp, kind of rounded teeth in here. Next, we'll draw a line that goes down. It's going to curve around and then come up to here. And then we'll add some more kind of curved, rounded teeth. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down on each side. We're going to make this line come in and then connect. Starting here, we're going to draw two lines that go up. They're going to go out and then in. And we're going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and down for the top of the head. Now for the ears. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes out to a skinny point and then comes back. And we'll add a few more of these too. Do the same thing up here. We'll go out and come back. And we're just going to do a few more. He's got like these kind of like aquatic amphibian ears. Then we just want to connect each one. So just draw a little line to connect each one. And then we'll do one to here. Now, starting up here, we're going to draw a little line that comes out on each side. And right here, we'll draw a line that goes down and in. Another one down and in. Right here, we'll draw a line that comes down and then over for his chest. Another one here, down and then over. Then we'll bring it up just a little bit with a little line. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that comes down on each side for the sides of his body. We'll make a little line that comes across. We'll draw a little line that goes down on each side. And we'll bring this across too. Starting here, we'll draw a line that comes out, and another one here. Then we're just going to kind of make this kind of ripped up looking for like his shorts. So we're just going to kind of make it look really tattered. We're going to bring these lines in, and we'll just draw a line across. Starting here, let's draw a line that comes down and then in. And another one here, it's just going to go down and then in. Right here, let's draw a line that goes out. It's going to come down to a point and then up. Make another one down to a point and then up. And we'll do one more, down to a point and then up. We're going to bring this back. We're going to go up and then connect to here. Let's do the same thing here. We're going to go out. We're going to come down to a point and then back. Another one that does the same thing. And one more right here. And then we're going to come back. Then we're going to go up and connect to here. Now, right on here, we're just going to add some little curved lines for some claws with like an extra little line. Starting here, we want to draw a line that's going to come out and then down for his shoulders. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to make another line that's going to come down for part of his arm. And then we're going to bring this line down. Draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to come to a point and then up. Do the same thing here. We're going to come down to a point and then up. We'll make this line come down to a point and then up. So we'll bring this up. We'll draw this line out to a point and then up. We're going to make a little line that comes up. Then we're going to go out and in. Go out and in. We'll draw a curved line right to here. Draw another curved line right to here. Then I'll make another line that's going to come down and up. Then I'll do one here a little bit different. And then we'll put another one right down here. I'll do one more up here. Then we'll add some little claws on the end. Now, here's our basic shape of Abomination. Now we just want to come in here and add some of the different details on here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go up and then come down. Then we're just going to add a couple little lines across with another little line down. I'm going to add a little line that's going to come up and down on each side over here, just kind of show a little spike coming out. I'm going to make some kind of broken, little curved lines right around here for his knees. I'll add a little line down here and a little line here for like his belt buckle. We'll make some little broken lines that come in here. And a couple more little lines, just to add some details onto his chest. We'll add a couple little lines here for like his biceps. And a couple little lines coming up here for some detail on his arm. We'll add a couple little just wrinkle lines, kind of show where like his fingers and knuckles are going to be. And I'm going to add a couple little lines right along the edge of his arms just for some detail. I'm going to add some little lines kind of coming up along his head. And a few little lines right inside of his ears. A couple little lines right along his mouth. And a couple more lines by his eyes. We'll add some lines kind of right around his legs and his body. And there you go. There is your drawing of Abomination. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.